No, thanks, Chair. I think the Chief Whip dealt with it and the Honorable Bredenbach. If we were to calculate how much we made from 9 until now, working for Parliament, it will not be worth it. You're actually going to eat people's money for nothing. I don't know what we're doing from the morning until now. I don't know what this exercise we're engaged in helps this committee with in relations to the terms of reference. Can we please get somewhere? We need to move because really we've been keeping quiet, all of us. And some of us, it's unlike us, to allow a situation where we spend a lot of time on a matter that we've been told is actually even before the courts. And you intervened and said you heard that this matter, our awaiting judgment is on appeal or something like that. Trying to caution the senior counsel on try by means to avoid going deeper into that thing, because a judge will come and say, actually, this is the position. Still, even after that intervention, we're still not making progress. When we break, go and talk to each other and agree on the direction we're going to take. We come back, we proceed as if there was never a break to engage on this matter. So, Chair, please, we need to leave this point. We must leave it and go to issues that are relevant to this committee. Thanks.